Hello everyone, myself Suryavanshi Satish Vishwasrao. I have been working at Genbos Open Romozi Junior College for last 20 years as math teacher. I welcome you all in math e-learning session. Now we are going to start the topic combined equation of two lines exercise number 3. So in this exercise number 3 contains two questions. Question number 1, find the joint equation of line passing through the point -1, 2, one of which is parallel to this line and other is perpendicular to this line. Second one, find the joint equation of line passing through the origin and perpendicular to these lines x plus 2y is equals to 90 and 3x plus y is equals to 90. Now solve one by one. Let us consider question number 1. Solution of 1 is this. So let u and v be the two lines passing through the point -1, 2, one of which is parallel to this line and other is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. So now find first slope of line. Slope of line, which line? This line here. X plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. But a required line parallel to the line x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. So we know that if slopes are equal, then the lines are parallel. So here lines are parallel, so definitely their slope will be equal. So therefore slope of line u is equal to minus 1 by 3 is equals to m1 say pseudo number 1. Now find the slope of this line. Slope of line 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 is minus 2 upon minus 3 is equals to 2 upon 3. But a required line perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. We know that if product of slopes is minus 1, then the lines are perpendicular to each other. So therefore slope of line v is equals to minus 3 upon 2 is equal to m2 sec new number 2 here. Why it is minus 3 by 2? It is plus here, in this it is minus, then reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now find their equations. Here equation of line u is the required equation of line u passing through the point -1, 2 and having slope minus 1 by 3 is What is the equation by point slope form? It is y minus 2 is equals to minus 1 by 3 x plus 1. Then by cross multiplication it is 3 times y minus 2 is minus 1 into bracket x plus 1. Now open the bracket. 3y minus 6 is minus x minus 1. Minus x minus 1. Then it is x plus 3y minus 6 plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 with the equation of line u. Now find equation of line v. Equation of line v. The required equation of line, passing through the point. Minus 1 2 with slope minus 3 by 2 is. So therefore this y minus 2 is equals to minus 3 upon 2 x plus 1. Now by cross multiplication it is 2 times y minus 2 is minus 3 times x plus 1. Now open the bracket here. Open the bracket. So therefore 2y minus 4 is equals to minus 3x minus 3. Then it is 3x plus 2y minus 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two equations of lines. Now find their joint equation. So therefore the joint equation of lines u and v are. What is the joint equation of this line? It is x plus 3y minus 5 into 3x plus 2y minus 1 which is equal to 0. Then open the bracket. So first multiply by x. X into 3x is 3 times x square plus 2 times xy minus x. Now multiply by plus 3 plus 3 3 are 9 xy plus 3 to the 6 y square plus minus 3 times y. Then multiply by minus 5. It is minus 15x minus 10y plus 5 which is equal to 0. So therefore 3x square, it is plus 2xy plus 9 times xy is plus 11 times xy plus 6 times y square. Then minus x minus 15x which is 16x. Then minus 3y minus 10y is minus 13y plus 5 is equal to 0 is the required equation of two lines. Thank you.